Today, இன்னைக்கு number 12th day. Okay, day 12th of gym. We did, oh my god. You can see the trailer also for that. You can see the 12th day. It will come as soon as possible. And oh my god, I so ரொம்ப எனர்ஜியா ஃபீல் பண்ணேன். But I feel good. After that, I feel energetic. Serious.
Correct.
I feel good. Yes.
That's how it should be done.
Because today, he improved the next step.
Yes.
He always improved the step. But today, suddenly
it was like a...
And then...
He was not prepared at all, actually.
Yes, so now this is for the watermelon juice. Pure watermelon juice without ice or without anything sugar. It's a pure watermelon juice.
This is
And you can...
very nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Just cools your system down.
It's, yeah.
After your post
watermelon வந்து உங்கள் பாடியை வந்து கூல் பண்ணும். After workout வந்து
Yes.
it's good for your body pumping.
It's good for your blood as well.
Good for the
your
blood
circulation,
Yeah.
for your heart. You know?
Yeah.
It's got this, what do you call, nitric oxide in this.
Nitric oxide.
Which is really
Yeah.
good for your blood flow. It just flushes out your blood vessels. It's really nice, yeah. You should include this every day.
Feel good
In your diet.
You know, it's doing dumb. It's feel good. It's feel
it's
good.
really nice.
And நண்பா இன்னொரு விஷயம் உங்கள்கிட்ட பேசணும். என்ன பேசணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், ஆக்சுவலி டுடே we can everyone normally is everyone life. Normally where is the straight negative people is there, no? If you want to understand something, no, you don't need to go think that. You can watch who the next who can stand with you, who can travel with you, your friends, maybe your family.
The people who are with you and who are against you, right? That's
Because
what you mean?
yes, because of who doesn't have the passion, who doesn't have that for that how to grow up, who doesn't know about that. யாருக்குமே எப்படி மேலே வரணுங்கிற விஷயம் தெரியாதவங்க வந்து நீங்கள் நல்ல விஷயத்தில் போயிருக்கிறீங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் உங்கள் மேலே வந்து jealous.
Yes.
Some
there are
negative
people,
things
there are
will
people
come.
in
Some
this world. There are
negative
many
things
kind of
will
people,
come.
guys.
Some, yeah.
Some may be jealous with you, some may not.
He's the main
maybe your
people.
true
Normally is the maximum is you can see the some 90% of the family.
Yeah.
Family members is normally jealous with the people. Do you understand?
It happens,
Yeah,
actually.
It's happen.
But guys, this shouldn't be stopping you. You know, you should keep doing your hard work.
Yeah,
Just focus on yourself
because
and keep moving forward, guys.
yeah, they want to அவங்க வந்து உங்க மைண்டை வந்து டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக தான் இது பண்றது. If you didn't care about their what they talk about something, அவங்க உங்களை பத்தி என்ன சொல்றாங்க, என்ன பேசுறாங்க, what they talk about front of you, what they talk about behind you,
Like biting, many things, guys.
many things, doesn't care about
Don't
anything.
give head to it.
ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் மட்டும் தான் நான்
Stay
சொல்லுவேன்.
focus on your track. That's
ஒரே
what
ஒரு
really
விஷயம்
matters.
ஐ வில் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் யூ. என்னன்னு சொன்னால், நீங்கள் ரோட்டில் போயிட்டு இருக்கும்போது தேர் ஆர் ஸ்ட்ரீட் டாக்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். இந்த ஸ்ட்ரீட் டாக்ஸ் நீங்கள் ரோட்டில் போயிட்டு இருக்கும்போது ஒரு 20 meters உங்களை அப்படியே சுற்றுலத்திக்கிட்டே வரும். தட்ஸ் தேர் லிமிட். ஸோ you can go to that again, you reach one place, you finish your work and again come to the same road. The street dog அதே இடத்துல தான் இருக்கும். அது அந்த இடத்துல இருந்துட்டு குளிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். It mean whoever talk about yourself bad or negative people, they never gonna go to the up. They stand only in the one place. It mean it's like you just think about them. They like a street dog.
It is like
That's
the
I
criticism,
explain
though.
them.
Yeah.
If anyone talk about yourself is bad or negative thing, think about them like a dog in the street dog. What street
got
dog
your
doing?
point. They just chase you.
It just chase you only 20 meters.
Then they leave.
Then you can go to your place and you can finish the work. Again you come to the same place. The street dog, they are only they stay.
They will stay
They
there,
play
yeah.
because they can't improve themselves. Do you understand? They
I
can't
understand.
improve themselves. It mean if anyone talk about your thing, maybe your brothers, maybe your cousins, maybe your friends, maybe your enemies, maybe your haters, doesn't care about them. It mean if whoever talk about anyone, if someone is talk about myself is good, bad thing or something, it mean they don't have the work. They don't have any achievement. They didn't achieve anything.
All they have is the time to talk bad about others.
Yeah, because they didn't achieve anything. If someone achieved anything, they should know all the way is coming like this, this
struggles,
only they can
struggles,
go like
struggles,
that.
guys.
Struggle. They can understand.
That's how the true success comes. It's all
True
struggles.
success.
So
Yeah.
hard work, struggles.
Yeah.
And the struggles really make you, And trust me, guys, there is gonna be criticism everywhere.
Struggle.
Critics are gonna be everywhere.
A struggle is make you. It's a lesson. Struggle is a lesson.
It is a lesson.
You can study maximum thing. You can learn from their maximum thing. Someone has hurt you.
Correct.
You can learn from okay.
take the lesson
next time
and keep moving forward.
You do think. Oh my God! Before I heard someone is cheat you. Next time, you will care. Okay, these people like that because of everyone is hurting you. Everyone put down. You will grow always if you have the confidence. If you have the passion, then only you can grow. Am I right?
It is very true because if you focus on yourself, maximum of the maximum time, if you focus on yourself, trust me on that. This all critics, the criticism is never going to affect you. Because these people are never going to go out of your life. These people are here to stay and criticize you every day, every second. So never lose focus. Just focus on yourself, your goals, your achievements, and make your parents proud. That's the only way to do about it, guys.
Yeah.
Just keep moving forward and just do it.
I said your parents are proud பண்ணுங்க. Same time think about yourself because make yourself proud of you, front of your mirror.
Exactly.
Am I right?
That is so true.
Am I right?
Make yourself
proud. Proud. Because
feel proud
because
of yourself, because you fought the battle.
Whenever you got to hurt someone, cheating someone, whenever you failed, you come up. Who with you? In yourself. Your confidence and your attitude, your presentation, your heart, your mind, your brain. Everything is you. So make proud about yourself.
Everyone is fighting their own battles.
Yeah,
Everyone,
your mother. How can they give? They give something that relax words.
Your parents
they can give the
for us,
food. That only they can give. But whatever that you want, but if you have something to the goal, if you achieve that, proud of yourself only.
Because parents are the only ones who have sacrificed their life for us, guys.
Yeah.
So never ever back answer them.
Yeah.
No matter what, no matter even if they're wrong, it's just put the things in your heart and never say such things which will really hurt them. Because this is the fact of the life. Suman.
Yeah.
Because many people they really neglect their parents. To be honest, that's how the society functions at the moment.
Yeah.
Which is really really sad, guys. Just pay a little heed. Just a little head towards your parents.
Yeah.
Because they've sacrificed their entire life.
They sacrificed, but as I said, parents
Imagine.
is listen. Parents is maximum is support. They can give the relaxed words. They can give the good food. They can care about you. But if you have the goal, you and yourself only can do the hard work. You can only go to the next step. You do the thing. You can only do. You can only try. You can only the fail. Get up. Fail, get up, fall down, get up.
It's the only way to fight, guys. Even if you fail 1,000 times, get up and again chase your dreams.
Is my experience நான் சொல்றேன் ராஜா. My experience நான் சொல்றேன். என்ன problem வந்தாலும், எது நடந்தாலும், don't care about anything. Who cares?
Trust me, guys.
யாரா அவங்க அப்படி பேசுவாங்க, இவங்க அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க. Who cares?
Things are going to happen. Things will happen and you will make it happen.
Yeah.
Just don't lose.
It will happen everywhere. Yeah.
Just put your trust, believe in yourself. The most important thing is believe. Because if you don't believe in yourself, things can never happen.
If I want to be the transformation, I am the person only know how much weight I can do per day, how many hours I can do, where I am tired, how many time I can go for the transformation. I am the person only know, even myself only know. My self-confidence only know. My fathers, my mother, my brother, friends, other people doesn't know.
Exactly.
Only myself only know. If you whatever that you give anything, I said okay, I try my best. I try.
His hard work because he has made up his mind that he wants to accomplish this.
Yeah.
He wants those goals. He wants those results because he believes that he is going to achieve it. And trust me on that, guys. He is going to achieve it because he believes.
Thank you.
You understand?
Yeah.
It's all here, guys. It's all
Everything.
here.
This is more
It's in your
painful
mind.
workout. If you want to achieve your business, if you want to do எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஒரு வழி இருக்கு.
Every walks of
The road
life.
is there.
Yeah.
You can go through that.
To just believe in yourself.
Don't believe other person's route.
Exactly.
Because if someone make a road, no, it's for the he make it for the himself only. If you go to travel for that road, you can't win because that route is for him only. Spider make a house. What spider want?